Hello everyone, and this is Mick for Nexus. Welcome to 305 Stillwater Road, Unit 1L in Smithfield, Rhode Island. Before we begin touring this updated one bedroom, one bathroom, I'd like to remind you, subscribe to YouTube channel that will receive all the latest updates and videos of our current vacancies, as well as news of real estate and news of property management. Thank you. We started in the kitchen of this first floor updated one bedroom, one bathroom unit. And as you can see, unit has been updated with stainless steel appliances. We have this like new Whirlpool fridge. We do have a medium size 4-burner gas stove, new flooring, fresh paint on walls here, and plenty of cabinets in the middle. Gas heater between windows here, and a decent amount of light coming in the unit. A little overcast today, nonetheless. Here we are, room number one. So could be used as a bedroom, could be used as a living room. Rooms aren't big, as you can see. Queen size bed will fit in here. But will be no more room left for the rest of your bedroom furniture. And room number two, which is more suitable for either a very small bedroom or maybe an office or workroom. There is a cable connection. There's plenty of electrical outlets. Again, new floor, new paint, and another window. So either living room or two small bedrooms and a bathroom. Again, new floor, new vanity, plenty of lights. Let me add this. And a nice updated newer shower cabin there. Additional linen storage provided right over there. And once again, it's a nice fresh bathroom here. And as a tenant of Nexus, you'll be able to enjoy benefits of paying your rent online. You'll be able to file your maintenance requests and chat live with the staff 24/7. Once again, this is Mick for Nexus here at 305 Stillwater Road, Unit 1L in Smithfield, Rhode Island. It's immediately available, 1 or 2 bedrooms, pet-friendly unit with off-street parking. Thank you.